And in the previous class, we will discuss about the small business and economic development, the first model, there's the MSME, there's the micro, small, and the medium enterprises, right? We have completed the model and we will discuss in the previous class with a few queries. Okay, might be it's a role of entrepreneurs, or maybe what is the difference between the economic growth and the economic development, right? These all things we have discussed. I think one more doubt is left as behind. That is, I think, what are the policies are there for the MSME, right? Yes, Shambhavi, is that the same question? Some of the MSME, what are the policies are there for the MSME? MSME policies. Am I right?
It's
Shambhavi?
it's not my question, sir. It's Akshata's question.
Okay, Akshata, yes. Akshata, is that the same question? Yes, sir. Okay, good. She replied with the message. Yes, sir. See, you know that there are various policies are there for the MSME. Policies means there's a schemes. What we are talking about. Policies means the scheme. So many schemes are there. Okay, which is MSME has been launched. Okay, by the government. Right. So various schemes are there. For example, you can say a few schemes like Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum is there. Okay, you know that what is that Udyog Aadhaar memorandum? You know that earlier we used to register the business under the DIC, that's the District Industry Center. Okay, now with your Aadhaar card given all the individuals by the government. Okay, so in this Aadhaar card is a mandatory requirement to register under the MSME. Okay, and this benefit of the registration in this scheme is very easy to register, and from this you will get the credit. Okay, you will get it the loans. Okay, and you will get the subsidies. Okay, these all things, many benefits you are getting from the government, right? And this, see, if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to part of this MSME, then definitely you can use this particular thing. There's a Udyog Aadhaar memorandum is there. Like this, various schemes are there, various policies are there. For example, zero defect, zero effect is there. What do you mean by that zero defect and the zero effect? Zero defect and the zero effect means that is a what you can say. 99.99, okay, that is a perfectness. That means no defect should be there, not even point. Okay, not even point. 100% matlab 100%. Okay, that is zero defect and zero effect. See, if there is no defect at all, then how it will be affecting for the business, or maybe how it will be affecting for the products of the services, right? This is the one more model is there. Okay, in this model, goods that are manufactured for the export, or maybe the import, or maybe for the manufacture for the customers. There is a very perfectness. Okay, without any rejected back to the India. That is we called as a zero defect and zero effect products will be there. That is one more scheme is there. Okay. Similarly, there are various schemes like a quality management standard and the quality technical tools. Okay. Then credit linked capital subsidy scheme. Then the women entrepreneurship schemes are there. Mahila Mandal scheme. Right, Akshata? So not only Akshata, I'm telling you all. Okay. So this is how the schemes are there. This is how the policies are there. Okay, for the MSME. Okay. So here you can start any kind of the business. Okay. For example, you can say micro business. Okay, micro business. So you know that Mudra is there. Mudra finance. Okay, that Mudra finance that's a microfinance they are providing for the micro business. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಘಟಕಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ if you are registered under the MSME. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೈನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದು if you wanted to start the ice cream unit, the small unit, ice cream unit. So anta ice cream unit ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ maybe you require the fridge. Basic thing is required for the fridge. So if you want to purchase the fish, not like the normal fish which we have for the household, it is required for the commercial fridge. So ಆ ಫಿಶ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನೀವು 25-30 ಸಾವಿರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದಲ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮುದ್ರಾ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾದ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗ ನೀವೇನದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಕುಲ್ಫಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, kaddi ice cream normally lal balai vela ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, those all we can see that is ನೀರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶುಗರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಐಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಫ್ರೀಜರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಐಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಕುಲ್ಫಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಹೈನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕುಲ್ಫಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಘಟಕಗಳು ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ, ನೀವು ₹1 ₹2 ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬುಟ್ಟ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಘಟಕಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. Okay, those are the micro industry. For those also, MSME is supporting through the Mudra finance, right? Similarly for the women entrepreneurship. Okay, so women entrepreneurship, for example, they are providing the capital, or they are providing the counseling, training, okay, and the technical skills they are giving. For example, let me go to the Karakushala. Okay, Karakushala, what is that? That you can make the homemade goods or maybe handmade goods at your home. Okay, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ, ಚಲೋ ತಂಗಿ ನೀವು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಪ್ಪಳ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, you know that Lizzat Papad. Okay, similarly that Lizzat Papad owner has been started that manufacturing the Lizzat Papad. Okay, Lizzat Papad ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, Lizzat Papad was very famous once in a time. Very famous. That advertisement, that single itself is famous. Okay, Lizzat Papad, right? This is how. So ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ Lizzat Papad ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾರ್ಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಪ್ಪಳ ಗಿಪ್ಪಳ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಮೈನರ್. ಗ್ರಾಜುವಲಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2-3 days ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಪ್ಪಳ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರು. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅದೇ ತರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. This is how the women entrepreneurship has been started. Right? So similarly, you can make the toys at your home. Okay, I'm talking about the micro and the small units, not the micro and the medium units. I'm talking about, not the large industries, large companies. Right? So this is how the micro industry has been started. Okay, this is how the micro industries has been started. So here the main thing is that is important is, if you register under the DIC, MSME, then definitely you can able to get all these benefits. Whatever the government is giving the new benefits, those all benefits you can able to get. That is very much important, right? So if any queries are there, then we can discuss, or else we can move for the second module. Yes? Any reply from your end? Are you all audible? Video on the audio is clear to you all? Please raise your hand quickly. India. Wow, wonderful. Good. Great. Great. Guru. Guru. Yes. Very nice. Kalavati. Where is she? Pratika, Meenakshi, Pratibha, Umesh. You're good, Yashwant. Here's together. Very nice. Meenakshi is saying yes, sir. Great. Very nice. Very nice. So, my question is, guys, if you are audible, then why you are not replying for my question? If I'm audible, and most of the people you have raised your hand, then if you are audible, then why you are not replying? At least reply the message, guys. At least reply in the message if you are unable to talk. My question is, do you have any queries relating to the first module, that's the MSME, or shall I, if no doubts is there, then I can start for the second module. Yes? Manjunath Dasha, there is no doubt. Swapna Masudi, there is no doubt. Okay. Okay, Ashwant, there is no doubt. In the first module, I have given the notes also. Okay, no doubt. Meenakshi is saying no doubt. Great, wonderful. So, shall I start the second module? This is second question for you all. Second unit, second module. Good. Good. Okay, all of you saying yes, sir. Okay, that's great. Good. Okay. You know that there is a second module that is starting a new business. Starting the new business. How to start the new business? As we have discussed the earlier, okay, as we have discussed the earlier, that is the first one is MSME, that's the micro, small, medium enterprises. So before we start the complete business, that's the small business and economic development. Okay, we have discussed about many things in the first model. Now we are talking about the second model. Second model is what the starting the new business. So what do you mean by the starting the new business? Starting a new business, it requires a lot of things. Okay, you know that before we start the business, we wanted to know everything. What do you mean by that business? Okay, that is what we can say the planning. Okay, what do you mean by the business? Okay, and what are the types of businesses? What do you want to do? Whether you want to do this goods or you want to do the service sectors. So that is very much important. And what are the steps are there to do the business? Second class started PDF notes. Okay. Yes. I'll give the notes for the second model. Don't worry. Right. So after this class only I can able to send you right away. Now, so in this module we were discussing about what you mean by the business. Okay, how we can able to start the business. Business in the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. Okay, so you need to understand the market. You need to understand what kind of business is there and what is the investment is there and what is the forecasting for that and whether it's visible and feasible for your area. These all things will be there. You know that we are understanding the SWOT analysis. You know what do you mean by that SWOT? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by the SWOT? Yes, W-O-T. Can anyone reply in the message? What do you mean by the SWOT? SWOT analysis. We have studied many times in the class. SWOT. Oh, wonderful. Shambhavi. Okay, Revsita is saying that the strength, weakness is Shobha. Strength, weakness, threats, opportunities. Very good. So, whatever we are doing, yes, Preeti, very good, wonderful. So, whatever we are doing the business, we need to analyze what is that business means. Okay, the basic things is what is the process to start the business? Because you know that it's not an easy. I told you that I always say that the business is linked to the wedding. Okay, business normally ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮದುವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ why because you know that you know the process of wedding you know the process so that's the reason I'm going to link with this the subject ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ನೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೂ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗದ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ನೋ ಮದುವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ವಿಷಯ ಬಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೈತಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹೆಂಗದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೌಕರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಬಡವರು ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ why because you know that before we get married okay now ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ whether it's a boy or the girl you know that the process okay ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಆಗಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಪೌಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ನ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ then you will talk with the parents okay and you will just analyze yourself whether that culture and the mentality will match to our family or not same side both sides whether it's a boy or the girl right so they will analyze each and everything and they will analyze not only this okay the culture and the mentality will match okay you can get married if for example chand kandrapa ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ರು opposite gender oh chand ha ibru chand adare ha ibru ಪಸಂದ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ next process ಏನದ that is second process is analysis okay ಏನು mentality and the physicality or maybe culture these all things whether we can able to match each other physicality is also important because height ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಗಿಡ್ಡನವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡ್ಡನವ್ರಿಗೆ height ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ದಪ್ಪನವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೆಳ್ಳನವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ this is how physicality I am talking so ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು yes you can get married no again there is a hurdle is there yes how long that means what is his forecasting ಮುಂದಾಲೋಚನೆ ಏನದ ಇವಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಅದಾಗ okay whether parents are there or not so what is the asset everything we can analyze so similarly what I'm saying guys so ಇದೇ ತರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮದುವೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ maybe ಒಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ okay if you are feeling comfort and if you are understanding each other then if mentality match each other then we'll continue no not like that there's the Indian culture says maybe a traditional culture is there that is different we are staying in the Indian so that's the reason we are following the Indian culture so in the Indian culture what it says that is whoever you get married okay we are thinking about the long term similarly in the business also if you are doing the business no one will do the business for the short term ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅದರಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅದರಿ ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನದ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಿಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೌಕರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ no not at all always we are thinking for the future we are planning to expand that business we are planning to extend that business we are trying to diversify that business this is how it is important so that's the reason starting the business is not an easy task okay it doesn't mean that if you have a money you can able to start no many people have the enough of money but they don't know the skill of what kind of business they need to start yes Kritika now you are replying there is a strength weakness this is the threats not thread Kritika ಇದು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಾರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಾರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್. ಥ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ, ಭಯ. Okay, so strength, weakness, opportunities, and the threats. Okay, so okay, so this is what we are talking about, the business, how to start the business. That's what that means. I'm just giving you the glance about the second module. Okay, here we are going to study about what do you mean by the business, how to start the business. Okay, and business ideas, how we can able to generate the business ideas. Then concept of a project identification. Concept of the project, that means concept of the business, what is the main concept of the business, and the project identification, how we are going to identify the project, and project formulation, how we can able to formulate that properly, how we can run it. Okay, what is the long term, what is the duration, what is the income, what is the expenses. So everything we can able to analyze here, right? Similarly, we are going to study about the project report, that is how we are making the project report. That is a what you can say, PPR and the DPR. That is a preliminary project report and the detailed project report. These all things we are going to study in this particular model. Right, guys? Thank you. Thanks a lot.